Well, this morning I'm in Connecticut to photograph the Southford Falls State Park. Really great waterfall. Water is rushing really high. Let's see how I do. Well, I am in Connecticut this morning, and we had a lot of rain last night. Didn't want to travel too far, so there's a really good waterfall that I came to shoot this morning. That's the best time of year to shoot waterfalls, but figure with the water flowing so heavily, I'll give it a shot. Well, just making my way down the stream. Had to pull away from the stream a little bit so you could hear me, otherwise it'd be way too loud. The water's rushing like crazy. Rocks are really slippery, so I'm just trying to be really careful. Well, I think I got some good shots. I'm gonna head home. As usual, if you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button in the lower right corner so you can see future videos. And until next time.